Brought to you by Prism Medical, Waverly Glen's stylish and innovative P440 portable lift makes patient transfers simple. Light, portable, and easy to hold, the P440 has been designed with a full set of safety features to assure confidence throughout handling occasions. Light enough to be operated by a single caregiver, the P stands for portable, and the 440 means the unit is capable of lifting up to 440 pounds or 200 kilograms. The Prism P440 can be used with a client having a FIM score as low as 1. Turning Prism's P440 portable lift on and off can be done in several ways. The first method is to press the blue up or down buttons located in the middle of the lift's front side. The on-off indicator light will turn green to indicate this has been done. An alternative method is to press either the gray up or down buttons on the hand control. The big red button disconnects all power to the unit. It is similar to an emergency stop button. To conserve battery power, the lift will automatically shut off after 2 minutes of non-use. Raising and lowering. Use the P440's hand controller to raise and lower the unit. Pressing the up and down buttons on the hand control moves the unit up and down its strap. When using the P440, the caregiver or operator should steady the lift with one hand so the client or patient in the sling doesn't sway. Manual raising and lowering. To lower the unit without using the hand control, use the buttons on the unit's right-hand side. Press the button indicating the desired direction, up or down. Emergency down. Press the small red button on the unit's face and the lift will automatically slowly lower the client. Emergency stop. If the lift is not responding to the hand control or any of the normal operational control buttons on the front of the lift, then the red emergency stop switch should be flipped to the off position. The emergency stop switch cuts power to the motor and the lift will immediately stop. Attaching to track. To attach the P440 to the track, hook the carabiner through the hole at the top of the reacher bar. Then, using the reacher bar, attach the carabiner to the ceiling track. To avoid strain, let out the P440's strap until there is enough slack to reach the reacher bar to the ceiling track without lifting the P440 unit. Once it is attached, use the hand control to wind up the strap, pulling the P440 to the desired height. Transitioning between tracks. To transition a client from one track to another, for example into another room, attach a second strap to the P440. This strap should already be attached to the second ceiling track, the one in the other room. Next, loosen the first strap by lowering it until the second strap, the one attached to the second ceiling track, is entirely supporting the client. Then, use the reacher bar to remove the P440's strap and reattach it to the second ceiling track. The P440 is now attached to the second track. Raise the client and remove the second strap. Hand control. The P440's hand control has 2 buttons. Pressing the up and down buttons on the hand control moves the unit up and down in its strap. Ergonomic handle. The P440 offers a comfortable, built-in ergonomic handle, allowing the caregiver to carry and transport with ease. Plug in and remove hand control. The P440's airline is connected to a gray rubber grommet located on the front left side of the lift. Align the grommet's shape with the hole and push it back into the unit. Low battery indicators. If the lift's batteries require charging, the light on the lift's control panel will turn orange and a slow beeping audible alarm will sound. Complete the transfer in progress. If the batteries are completely discharged, the light will turn red and a fast beeping audible alarm will sound. The unit will give an audible beep when battery power is low. Charge the unit immediately if it sounds. P440 chair to bed. Assess the client for appropriate sling size or type. Before attempting to transfer the client to the P440, make sure the wheelchair's wheels are locked. At the edge of the P440 carry bar are spring-loaded clips, also known as positive locking latches. These are the P440's carry bar points. Sling the sling's loops through them to attach the sling to the P440. Begin lifting. Once the sling's slack material has been taken up, stop to ensure that the loops are securely positioned in the carry bar. Manually move the P440 along the ceiling track until the client is positioned directly over the bed. Lower the client to the bed and remove the sling loops from the carry bar's positive locking hatches. Clip the hand control to the P440. Remember to keep one hand on the carry bar at all times. This prevents it from swinging. Use the log roll technique to remove the sling from under the client. If the client requires further positioning, use ErgoSlide or ErgoSheet slide sheets to reposition the client safely and without causing strain. If possible, approach the client from an angle, as this is less intimidating. Position the sling with its bottom edge at the coccyx or tailbone. Slide the sling under the client using the log roll technique. At the edge of the P440 carry bar are spring-loaded clips, also known as positive locking latches. These are the P440's carry bar points. Sling the sling's loops through them to attach the sling to the P440. For returning the client to bed, use the sling's long loops. This will keep the client in a reclined position and distribute their weight more evenly. Begin lifting. Once the sling's slack material has been taken up, stop to ensure that the loops are securely positioned in the carry bar. Manually move the P440 along the ceiling track until the client is positioned directly over the bed. Lower the client to the bed and remove the sling loops from the carry bar's positive locking hatches. Remember to keep one hand on the carry bar at all times. This prevents it from swinging. Clip the hand control to the P440.